So out of all the participants, all the submissions that we have got, we have shortlisted 5. So the first name is of Syed Akib Ahmed. So congratulations, Syed. The second participant. So I'm just reading out the name in order of the score. Okay. So whoever is the highest scorer is number 1. Okay. So I'm not disclosing the score, but it is in the order of the score. Yes. So the second name is Yeshas Sudarshan. So are you there, Yeshas?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So big congratulations to you. The third name is of Amitej. Amitej Mukliyat.
Yes,
Amitej.
ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. The next name goes Shavani Kulkarni. Shavani was there in the morning. Are you there, Shavani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Congratulations. And the fifth name is of Supraja. Supraja, congratulations. Supraja Shinde.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So all of you can just switch on your video if you want to share something, your experience of solving the case. And not the case, the problem that was given to you. So I would like to see you all the shortlisted candidates, so that we can say a hi, and I can. Okay. Hello, Amitej. Hi. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay. So there are our team members, Mr. John Pinto and Mr. Ivan, and I can see Mr. Pushkar from WebTech. Hello, sir. Okay. So Shavani, Amitej, Supraja, Syed, everybody, a big congrats. So what you have to do is, so our team members will get in touch with you, and they will handhold you so that your submissions can be converted into successful case studies. Okay, so your submissions are good enough to be converted, but some shortcomings are there. So once you overcome that, it won't take much time, right, John? How much time will they take to overcome this and to make the submissions as case studies?
The report has to be improved.
Huh.
So if they dedicate time, then maybe a week maximum.
Maximum of a week. So it's nothing. So you're almost there. And once you're there, your name will be published. I think you have seen the CFD Open Forum website. If not, then
Yes,
I'll just share my screen and I'll let you know where your submissions will be displayed. So see, this is the case study project. And here goes the list of the completed case studies. So as you can see, all these case studies are not done by any faculty member. They're all done by students. Okay, and these are not only the students of IIT Bombay. As you can see in the list, they are from different institutes of India. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Anna University, Tribhuvan University from Nepal. We have a good influx of students from Nepal from this particular university. So we are really happy and grateful to Tribhuvan that there. I mean, every year we get good interns and fellows from Tribhuvan. Even Manjil, who took the session today, is from the same university. We had two more staff members from who are alumni of Tribhuvan. Okay. So as you can see in the list, we have many more other institutes other than IIT Bombay. Okay, so actually, all of you must know that FOSSI is an organization that trains the students. It focuses on the executable part of a software, over and above the theory part. Because for the theory part, the colleges are there who help the students. The colleges also train the students on the practical aspects also. But then FOSSI is primarily focuses on the hands-on part of the software. So this is all about the case study project. You have the submission guidelines also. When convert your submissions into case study, you can refer to the submission guidelines. So it's all the guidelines are there. You will also receive honorarium. You will also receive certificates from FOSSI. And do you know about research migration project? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just like cases are small problems in CFD, research migration projects are research papers that are published in renowned journals, and the learners of OpenFOAM, what they do is they take the problems that are already published and they replicate it using OpenFOAM. So research migration project is one step ahead of the case study project. Okay, and we also have lab migration, but for lab migration, we would need to get in touch with your faculty members. So all of you can refer your faculty members, one faculty member who is enthusiastic enough to work with us and contribute in the lab migration project. So what they'll have to do is they'll have to propose a problem, a set of problem that the institutes actually takes up in their lab courses. So so they will be the proposer of the lab migration, and then the solution provider can be either from their institute, I mean from your institute, or from any other institute, or from the FOSSEE Open Forum team as well. So there are two parties involved in this lab migration project. One is the proposer, and second one is the problem solution provider. Okay, so with this, I'll close the session today. Okay, so fine then. Thanks for joining, and bye bye
Thank you,
from
ma'am.
IIT Bombay.